Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Camp Chef app is and how it's positioned. According to the official App Store and Google Play descriptions, the Camp Chef app is a companion platform designed to connect with compatible Camp Chef Wi-Fi or Bluetooth-enabled pellet grills. The official listing explains that the app allows users to control their grill remotely using a smartphone or tablet. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official store information, the app belongs to the outdoor cooking and grill control category and is mainly intended to work with Camp Chef pellet grill models that support wireless connectivity. The official description states that users can set and monitor grill temperatures directly from their mobile device. Another documented feature is adjusting smoke levels and shutting down the grill remotely through the mobile interface. According to the store listing, the app also allows users to monitor meat probe temperatures during a cook. The platform can send notifications when timers finish or when the target temperature for a meat probe has been reached. Another documented capability is storing grill data under a user account so cooking information can be accessed across multiple devices. The official information also states that users can connect and manage multiple Camp Chef grills from within the same account. The app can also assist with initial grill setup by connecting the grill to a local Wi-Fi network and pairing it through Bluetooth during installation. For users interested in monitoring outdoor cooks, adjusting grill settings, and tracking temperatures through a mobile device, this could be an option. This app may be useful for people who own compatible Camp Chef pellet grills and want remote access to cooking controls. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.